This is the E Super Duty V10 Triton camper, and we are having a problem with it not shifting into gear. So whenever we go to get in and crank it up, you gotta crank it up, and it will not shift. It just gets stuck. It is like stuck right here or something. So we kept on trying, and we looked for a reset switch under the steering wheel. And on some campers they may have that, but it doesn't have it on ours. So not only does it not shift, but we also found out that brake lights, hold the brake down, that the brake lights aren't working. So we kept on trying to see what was the matter with it, and did look for that reset button, but couldn't find it. So we ended up finding out it was a fuse. Right under here is more fuse number 15, right back here. It's a little dark. So it's fuse number 15 that's right back here. And we just took that out, and it was burnt, and that what was causing it not to shift. So we replaced it